Welcome. If you're looking to disable the in-app browser on the X mobile app and prefer links to open in your preferred web browser instead, you've come to the right place. I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to make this change. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're in, tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu where you'll find several options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section gives you control over many aspects of your X app experience. After entering Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap Accessibility, Display, and Language. In this menu, find and tap Display. Here's where the key setting lives. Look for the option labeled Use in-app browser. To disable the in-app browser, simply toggle this option off. That's it. Now, whenever you click on a link in the X app, it won't open inside the app's own browser. Instead, it will launch in the web browser you have set as your default, whether that's Chrome, Safari, or another browser you prefer. This can offer a better browsing experience and greater privacy control. Disabling the in-app browser can also improve performance and give you access to all the features that your chosen browser offers, such as saved passwords, extensions, and private browsing modes. If you ever want to revert this setting, just follow the same steps and toggle the Use in-app browser option back on.